Chapter 8 comparing quantities part 3. So in this part we are going to see ratios to percent here. So in part 2 we have studied fraction to percent, decimal to percent, and percent to fraction and decimals. Okay. In this part we are going to see ratios to percent. See the example. Divide 15 sweets between Manu and Sonu so that they get 20% and 80% of them respectively. So what you have to do is ratio of shares of Manu and Sonu. Given percentage it is given. So you take it in the ratio, that is 20 is to 80. Okay, 20 is to 80. Both are percent. That's why convert into ratio. That is 20 to 20 is to 80. Therefore 20 is to 80 nothing but 20 by 80. So you cut it means 1 by 4. That is 1 is to 4. The ratio of shares to Manu and Sonu is 1 is to 4. So you see here we can write sum of parts. Okay, sum of parts equal to 1 plus 4. These two you add means 5. Now easily we can find out share of Manu equal to 1 by 5 into this ratio you take that Manu first one, then this one is Sonu. So this part, that is 1 by 5 total part, 1 by 5 into 15 sweets. 15 sweets you have to multiply this, you will get 3 sweets. Same way share of Sonu is 4 by total into 15. So then cut it means 3, that is 12 sweets. Understand? So easily we can find out this. Now another example you see. If angles of a triangle are in the ratio 2 is to 3 is to 4, find the value of each angle. Okay, you know the property of angle sum property of triangle. Okay, property of triangle, that is angle sum property of a triangle, you know very well. Okay, what is the angle sum property of triangle? Means the sum of all angles. How to use that property? Okay, sum of all angles is 180. Sum of all angles in a triangle is 180. Okay, triangle having 3 angles, so 3 ratio given. Now given ratio of angles, is equal to 2 is to 3 is to 4. Now total parts, find out total parts. Okay, total parts, how much? 2 plus or sum of parts you can write. Total means sum, right? How much? 5, 9. Okay, 9 total. Now we can find out the each angle they have given. So first angle equal to, therefore first angle, you have 3 angles. So first angle equal to, what is the first angle ratio? That is 2. 2 by total part, 9 into 180. So now you cut it, means 20, that is 40 degree. Okay, then second angle. Second angle equal to second ratio you take, that is 3 by 9 into 180. Same cut it, 9 table, 20. So that is 60. Now third angle. Third angle equal to, what is the ratio? 4. 4 by 9 into 180. Same way you cut it. Cut 20. So 80 degree. So you add means correctly we get 100, 180 total 180. So each angle you will get. Okay. So each angle in a triangle or 40 degree, 60 degree, 80 degree. Okay. Whose sum of the all angles 180 degree correctly will come. Okay. So easily we can find out the angles. Now we will see the increase or decrease as percent. Okay, increase or decrease as percent. So increase percent or decrease percent equal to amount of change by original amount into 100%. Okay, For example, you see, find the percentage of increase or decrease. The price of shirt decreased from rupees 80 to rupees 60. So here decrease percent we have to find out. Okay. Therefore, decrease percent equal to amount of change. How much amount changed? How much amount changed? 20 rupees amount of change. Then original amount. This is original amount. This original amount to how much it is changed. That is original amount into 100%. Okay. So easily you can calculate. Okay. You have to first what amount of change equal to find out amount of change. Is equal to 80 minus 60. That is rupees 20. Rupees 20. Okay. Next original amount. Rupees 80. Original amount rupees 80. This amount to okay changing amount 60. Clear. Therefore, decrease percent here decrease. Decrease means you have to find out what decrease percent. Okay, decrease percent equal to percentage of decrease. Otherwise, decrease percent equal to amount of change. This formula always you have to remember. Amount of change. Amount of change how much? 20 by original amount 80 into 100. So you cut it. Okay. Now in what? 2 table. This will go 5 times. This will go 4 times. Again in 2 table. This will go 2 times or 4 table. Straight away 4 table 5 times. So that is equal to 5 into 5 25%. 5 into 5 25%. Understand? Therefore decreasing percentage 25% they decrease. Understand? That is the meaning. Clear? So very important this. You see the second one. So increased. So amount of change. Find out. Therefore, amount of change. $30 minus 20. Always highest minus lowest. 10. Amount of change is 10. Original amount 20. Original amount 20. Therefore increase percent. Increase percentage equal to amount of change. Amount of change is what? 10. Original amount 20. 10 by 20 into 100%. That is equal to 10 cat means it is 5. So that is 50%. 50% increase. Okay. Okay, naturally what 22 that means 50% increase. Okay, because amount of change is 10, it is coming. 50% increase. Understand? So next we will see the important topics. There is prices related to an item on buying and selling. While buying and selling, what you will get, profit or loss. Okay. So what is cost price? The buying price of any item is known as its cost price. That is simply we can say CP. CP means cost price. The selling price of any item is known as selling price. That is SP. That is called SP. So we will get profit using this SP and what CP. When the SP greater than CP means, then you will get profit. Okay, cost price is lesser than the selling price. That means selling price is more. Selling price is more than the cost price means then there will be a profit. Okay, so profit equal to SP minus CP. Profit equal to SP minus CP means we will get how much suppose you are purchasing one pen, that is cost price. Purchasing one pen of cost 10 rupees. Okay, next day you are selling 12 rupees. Okay, so here you will get profit 2 rupees. That means selling price minus cost price, that is 12 minus 10, that is 2 rupees you will get profit. Okay. Now loss equal to Cp minus Sp. Here Cp is greater and Sp is less, Cp will be greater. Okay. So here you see the example, same pen while you are purchasing 10 rupees pen, next day you are selling rupees 8. So here cost price is more, selling price less, so you will get loss. Okay, loss 2 rupees loss you will get. So when you have profit and loss, you can find out profit percent and loss percent. Profit percent is nothing but profit by Cp into 100, and loss percent is nothing but loss by Cp into 100. So these concept and formula you have to always remember. Okay. So we will see some example now. So now we will see one example. A shopkeeper bought a chair for rupees 375 and sold it for rupees 400. So here the bought means buying price, that is cost price, and sold means selling price here. Okay, so Cp given and Sp given. Cp you write. Cp is short form you write. Cp is rupees 375 and Sp is 400 rupees 400. Okay, when you have Cp and Sp, you can find out here what gain or loss. But here gain, because Sp is more, so you will get gain or profit. Okay, gain means profit, right? Gain equal to 400 minus highest number minus lowest number. Find out. That means how much? 25 rupees gain. Okay, gain is rupees 25. So when you have gain, you can find out gain percent. Okay, the problem they ask you gain percentage. So gain percent is equal to gain by Cp. Gain by Cp into 100. So what is the gain here? 25. So the Cp is 375 into 100. You have to put, right? So in 25 table, this will go one time. This will go one time. What's the reminder here? 12, 125. 125, 5 times will go in 25 table. Okay. Then this will go 4 times. This will go 4 times. In 3 table, in 5 table, this will go 5. This will go 3. So 20 by 3. Okay, 20 by 3 equal to rupees. How much? 6 times will go. Okay, rupees. Not rupees. Sorry, percentage. You have to write percentage. So 20 by 3 nothing but 6 times will go point. Reminder what? 2 again 20 by 3 6 times 6 6 6 6 like this you will get it. So that is nothing but you can short form you can write 6.7 percentage because see you see this can make one decimal point means you see the next digit more than 5 means you add so 6 point add 1 means 6.7 percentage. Okay, that is the rule. Okay, the decimal part you see decimal part continuous 6 is coming to make one decimal place. To make one decimal place, what you have to do? You see the next number, next digit you have to see. Next decimal, then next decimal you see 6 is there. 6 is 5 more than 5. That means you add 1 with previous digit means 6.7 percentage. Okay, you can make two decimal places means what? 6 6 you see. Next digit you have to see 6 5 more than 5 means you add here. So 6.67 percentage you can write. Okay. Sometimes they may ask to write in two decimal places. Okay. Now I am writing here one decimal places. Okay. So like this you can find out the gain percentage. Sometimes they will ask loss percentage also. Right. Okay. Understand. So next we will see the very important topic, simple interest, or we can say charge given on borrowed money. For borrowed money, we have to give some charge. Clear? So where we can find a simple interest means bank. Now if we borrow some money means we have to pay the interest. That is through simple interest. Clear? So now principal. What is principal? Means the money borrowed is known as principal. Clear? Principal means the money borrowed, or we can say sum borrowed means money borrowed. Clear? Interest means we have to pay some extra money or charge to the bank for the money being used by us for some period. Some period, if you take the money from the bank, you borrow some money from the bank some period. For that period, we have to pay extra charge, that is interest. Clear? Then what is amount? Amount is nothing but principal plus interest. Amount is nothing but principal plus interest. Both add, both amount add means what? Principal plus interest. Last what? We have to give the amount, that is with principal and interest. So the formula for calculating simple interest is PRT by 100. What is P? Principal. What is R? Rate of interest. What is T? Period of time. Okay. So this concept very important for calculating simple interest. Okay. For interest, it is more important. This concept and formula very important. So thoroughly prepare. Now we will see one example problem. How to find out the simple interest. Okay. You see, rupees 10,000 is invested. Invested means some borrowed. Clear? Principal. At 5% interest means rate of interest. That is all. Per annum. PA means what? Per annum means what? 1 year. Per annum means what? 1 year. 12 months. Okay. That is 1 year. Interest per annum. It is calculating interest per annum. Find the interest at the end of 1 year it is given. That is period. That is period. Okay. So rupees 10,000 is invested at 5% interest per annum. Interest is always calculated per annum or every 6 months or every quarters, like that they will calculate. Okay. So normally they used to calculate per annum. Okay. So now find the interest at the end of 1 year. You have to calculate at the end of 1 year. So here first what you have to find out the sum borrowed, that is P. T is given. Rupees 10,000 P. Right. Rate of interest, that is R given 5%. R is given 5% per annum. You have to write per annum. Bracket you write per annum. Then time is given what? 1 year. Time is given 1 year. Right. Sometimes they will give 5 years, 3 years, 2 years, like that. Therefore, simple interest SI equal to, write the formula first. Okay. PRT by 100. PRT by 100 means P into R into T. That is the meaning. Okay. That is equal to, what is P here? 10,000 into, what is the rate of interest? 5 into 1 by 100. So 20 you can cut. Means here 100 into 5, 500 rupees. 500 is the interest extra payment you have to pay to the bank. Therefore, simple interest is rupees 500. Rupees 500. Okay. So simple interest is rupees 500. Okay, easily you can calculate interest. Okay, now we will see some examples. Now we will see exercise problem. See exercise 8.3, first problem. Tell what is the profit or loss in the following transactions. Also find the profit or loss percentage in each case. Okay, the BUC. A refrigerator bought for rupees 12,000 and sold at rupees 13,000. So bought means CP. What means CP? CP, right? CP equal to how much? 12,000 rupees. Rupees 12,000. Sold means SP. SP equal to rupees 13,500. So you can calculate what here. SP is more. than CP. So profit. So you can calculate profit. Profit equal to what you will get? 13 big number minus small number. So how much is 1500 rupees? 1500. So when you get profit means what? You can find out what a profit percentage. Therefore, profit percent equal to profit by CP into 100. Okay. So what is profit? 1500 by CP 12,000 into 100. So you can cut it to 0. Cut it to 0, right? This 0, and one more 0 also cut it. So in in 4 table or 3 table, 4 time it will go. This will go how many time? 3 table 50. Okay. Then that is 50 by 4. 50 by 4 nothing but what? In 2 table it will go 25. Will go 2 times. 25 by 2. 25 by 2 is nothing but what? 12.5%. 12.5 percentage. Understand? So the profit percentage is 12.5 percentage. Sometimes okay, it will in decimal you can change it. Clear? Fraction 25 by 2 fraction, change it into decimal percentage. Okay. Sometimes profit percent may be 12%, 12.5, 20%, 20.5 like that. Okay. So now we will see the next example. Okay, a skirt bought for rupees 250 and sold at rupees 150. So that means bought means what? CP given. So right, CP is rupees 250 and the SP sold means what? SP is given, that is rupees 150. Now here SP is less than CP. So loss, it will be loss. So loss equal to 250 minus 150. How much is 100? Loss is 100. Therefore, you can calculate loss percentage. Loss percentage equal to what? Loss by CP into 100. That means what is loss? 100 by CP is 250 into 100. So cut. Okay, in 25 table, we'll go 4 times. So 40% is loss. 40% is loss. Understand? You see the third problem, the population of a city decreased from 25,000 to 24,000. Find the percentage decrease. Find the percentage decrease. So first you have to calculate amount of change. Okay, amount of change. Now original amount is 25,000. Therefore decrease percentage. Okay, it is decreased. Clear? So percentage of decrease. You can write like this also. Percentage of decrease is equal to the amount of change, that is 500 by original amount 25,000 into 100. So 20 first you cut, here 10 you cut. In 25 table it will go to, so 2% only. Okay, understand? So percentage of decrease is how much? 2%. So easily you can calculate. This type of question is very important. Clear? For examination point of view, very important. So same type of questions I will give it as homework. Okay, do the homework problem for better practice. Okay.